if you are new on my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can get more videos regarding JOSAA counseling, okay, and you'll get better information so that you can get better seats, okay. So here the here I'm displaying the list of JOSAA 2020 and 2019, okay. So here I'm displaying common merit list. Common merit list is displayed here, okay. And see here, all in the two type of ranking is there: all India rank and home state rank. What is the meaning of all India rank or home state rank? We will understand here, okay. Suppose that NIT Tiruchirappalli, it is in Tamil Nadu. So a student who belongs from the Tamil Nadu itself, that student will get home state rank of Tamil Nadu, okay. So he can use his home state rank also to take admission in NIT Tiruchi, okay. And student who is not from Tamil Nadu, who is outside the Tamil Nadu, okay, he can get the he can get admission by the help of all India rank only, okay. You may be aware that in all NITs 50% seats are reserved for that state in which that NIT is situated, and 50% seats are available for other states, okay. So if a student who is from Tamil Nadu, his home state rank is 4,728, he can get the seat in NIT Tiruchirappalli. But a student who is not from Tamil Nadu, he is outside, who belong from other states, he should have the rank rank 781. This is data of 2020, okay. So a student who is having rank more than 781, suppose that he is having rank of 800, he is not eligible to get, means he didn't get at that time 2020, he didn't get the seat in 2020, okay. But the student who belong from Tamil Nadu, he got the seat even if he is having more than he is having home state rank of 4,728, okay. Apart from this, girls only rank is also there, okay, means some seats were added, okay, some seats added to give the benefit to girls, okay. So they get girls only, means all India rank in girls only, means there is another category that is called girls only, okay. In that one they get the all India rank also and home state rank also, okay, means a girl who belong from other state than Tamil Nadu, okay, and she is having a rank of 2,757, okay, she got the admission, okay. And a girl who had home state rank of 10,332, she got the admission in that college, okay. So these are the rank, home state rank and all India rank, okay. So see, you can say that this is a very different situation. See, if this situation is for other students also, means suppose that a student belong from Delhi, okay, and he want to take admission in NIT NIT Delhi, okay. So he have the reservation of 50%, okay, he will get a benefit of that reservation, okay. So when a student who belong from the other state, he will get the admission in NIT Delhi only on the basis of all India rank. But a student who belong from Delhi, he will get the benefit of home state rank, okay. This system is for all other states also, okay, not only for Delhi or only for Tamil Nadu. This is for every state, Okay, so students get benefit of their own state. Okay, if they go for other state, go for a college which is in other state, they have to use their all India rank. Okay, if they want to get admission in a college which is in their own state, they can use their home state rank. Okay, this is a benefit. Okay, and here I'm going to display the data of 2019. Okay, to this 2019 JOSAA 2019 data is available in front of you. You can see, if for NIT Tirchi, I mean in NIT Tiruchirappalli, all India rank of 1373 means 1373, that rank got the last student who got admission by all India rank, that is 1373. But if a student is from Tamil Nadu, who that student got admission of his rank was 5300. Okay, around that one. So this is the data in front of you. You can see. So I'm displaying the data of computer science and engineering. Okay, so you can just pause and see the data of each and every college, because here so many colleges are there. Information technology, that is also called IT. It's a so many things are similar in computer science and IT. Okay, so sometimes student didn't get computer science, they also opt for IT. After that, ECE, electronics and communication engineering. Okay, so what was the cutoff marks in 2020, 2019? Okay, so you can see here, I'm giving the data here. Okay, so these are the data for 2020, 2019. Okay, in NIT Patna, in NIT Puducherry. Okay, so these are the rank on which student got admission, cutoff rank. Okay, suppose that I'm going to take admission of NIT Bhopal. So all India rank was 12,000, around 12,000. Okay, so here you can see. Okay, I'm displaying data of EC only. Currently I'm giving. Okay, now EE, electrical and electronics engineering, EEE, electronics and electrical and electronics engineering students. Okay, so these are the data. Different colleges are there, and in which college what was the last rank, the rank of the last student, or you can say the last rank who got admission in that branch, in that college. You can see here. Okay, you can get idea. IT, other different branches are there here. Mechanical engineering. Okay, mechanical engineering, 4-year mechanical engineering, you can see. Okay, mechanical engineering, I'm giving data here for mechanical engineering. Computer science, this is for from IIIT Lucknow. Okay, NIT Hamirpur, this is also for computer science, 5-year. Okay, electronics and instrumentation engineering, this is also for E&I. This is also a good branch. Okay, it comes in the category of EC and AAA. Okay, so here civil engineering, you can see civil engineering. Okay, civil engineering, NIT civil, all NITs. Instrumentation and control. Okay, electrical engineering, EE. Okay, computer science and artificial intelligence, mathematics and computing, 4-year. Engineering physics. Okay, electronics and telecommunication engineering, aerospace engineering, mathematics, 5-year course. Electronics and communication engineering, metallurgical and material engineering, physics. Okay, after that production engineering, biotechnology, mining engineering, production and industrial engineering, mathematics and computing, artificial intelligence, chemistry, different branches. You can just pause and you can see the branch and the college. Okay, because I have to display all datas so that you can get better picture. I have covered all. Okay, so I have displayed here the data of JOSAA 2020 and 2019.